How to delete your Threads account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily deactivate or delete your account completely. But before we begin, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button as well and turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Threads app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, all you need to do is head over to your profile section at the bottom right corner. And from here, at the top right, you will see the two lines icon. Just tap on it to open up your settings. Once you get to your settings menu, you will have to navigate your way to your account section. And under your account section, you'll find deactivate or delete profile. Just tap on it. So before the previous update, you were not able to delete your Threads account permanently without having to delete your Instagram. But after the update, Threads has made it possible for you to delete your account permanently without having to delete your Instagram. So if you want to delete your profile permanently, it won't be affecting your Instagram, so you don't have to worry about that. Just go ahead and tap on delete profile like this. And for security reasons, you'll have to enter your Threads password and then tap on delete profile. And all of your data will be lost and your account will be deleted permanently. So that is it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and hit the subscribe button as well. I'll see you guys on the next one.